Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by revealing hidden markers. Click Home, then show /hide paragraph so breaks become visible. Once done, you can tell if it's a simple page break or a section break, and that matters because section breaks control headers, footers, and page orientation. Make sure to save a copy first, since removing a section break can change layout. Now locate the exact break line. Select it carefully so you act on the correct element. Next, remove or modify the break. If it's a page break, select the marker and press delete, simple and immediate. If it's a section break, go to Layout, Page Layout in Older Word, choose Breaks, then pick the right section start such as continuous to merge sections without losing headers. You can also cut and paste surrounding text to preserve spacing. Take it slow. Changing section types is why documents shift unexpectedly. Finally, verify headers, footers, and pagination. If headers jump, open header/footer and click link to previous to toggle it off. Now you control each section. Also inspect paragraph settings. Uncheck Keep with Next or Widow/orphan control if a break still appears at odd places, because paragraph rules often force page breaks. If anything goes wrong, use Undo or restore your saved copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.